once again, and I know you guys might be waiting for this video, as I had said in my previous video that I'm going to show you the to me contribute part in my next YouTube video. So here we are today. In the last video I had showed you the magical oil, how to prepare that, जो मम्मा मेरे सर पे काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So I hope आपने वो यूज़ किया होगा. Let me know in the comments आपको कैसा रिजल्ट मिला. How did you feel after using that oil? अभी जैसे oil का तो जैसे हो गया कि when we have leisure time and we can keep the oil for quite some time on our hair. But what do we do when we have a shortage of time? We need to do something that's quick and it can also make our hair feel softer and smoother. So today I'm going to show you which hair packs do I use. I just apply it for like 20 to 30 minutes and I wash it off, I rinse my hair and it leaves my hair really nice, soft and shiny. So yes, the best part is that they are natural packs that I use, and let's get started. Okay guys, so before I show you my DIY hair mask, I just wanted to tell you guys that yes, applying external products, packs and all those things are important. They improve the texture of your hair, the feel of your hair. But the secret to healthy hair is also what you have internally. जैसे हम अपनी skin के लिए करते हैं, packs लगाते हैं, we do several things. But the inner glow that comes is only when we eat healthy. So the same thing is for hair. जैसे अभी हमारी lifestyle उतनी healthy नहीं है, plus the climate change, pollution and all that stuff, it makes your hair really rough. Like it damages your health, it also damages your hair. So it's really important to take care of all the food and nutrients that you have it internally that are going to kind of be a food for your hair. So having food rich in vitamins is really important. Having water is very important, at least 3 to 4 liters every day. मम्मा तो पहले मैं नहीं पीती थी उतना पानी, लेकिन मम्मा मेरे पीछे पड़ गए थे. And now I have a habit that I always fill my water bottle and keep it with me. And whenever you have that little hungry feeling, I have water instead of that. So I consume the required amount of water and I don't even intake extra calories by eating extra food. Okay, but guys, let's be very honest out here. हम चाहे जितना try कर लें, in this fast-paced era that we're all living in, हर time नहीं possible होता कि we consume the right amount of nutrients at the right time, and it all gets really haywire. Which is the reason why the most important nutrient for our hair, that is vitamin B7, also known as biotin. Biotin is very important and it is responsible for the strength in your hair. It reduces the hair fall, the scanty amount of hair, क्योंकि वो strength provide करता है hair को. So we also fail to consume the right amount of biotin, which is the most important for our hair. So guys, basically we get many synthetic biotin products on the market, but they are all chemical based, and obviously because they are chemicals, they don't get easily absorbed in our body. So I just came across this one. This one biotin. It is whole food plant-based biotin, and it's 100% derived from plants, and it has no chemicals added to it. That's the best part, and which is why I actually got it. So it is the Oziva's plant-based biotin. It's like a biotin supplement for you. I did like a quite quick research on it because you gotta be sure whatever you take. So this is India's first 100% wholly plant-derived biotin, and it is good for hair fall. We have hair thinning. Then it also makes your hair very strong. Also, since this is like totally plant-based, it is chemical-free, so it has a faster absorption to your body, and obviously then it works more efficient. Okay, so I just give some quick features of this. Why is Oziva super amazing? लिखा है इसमें. So first it has bamboo extracts, which is rich in silica, of course, yes. And silica is good for shiny hair, the shiny texture. Then it has amla. Amla, we all know it's rich in vitamin C. And amla तो काफ़ी लोग ऐसे खाते भी हैं, so it's like good for everything almost. तो उसके भी extracts हैं इसमें. Then we have pomegranate. It contains antioxidants and it is anti-aging. तो मतलब आपका hair के साथ साथ आपकी skin की भी care होगी इसमें. So all these nutrients, ये जो सारे plants हैं, bamboo, amla, pomegranate, इस सब के सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स इसमें हैं which provide the necessary nutrients your body needs. I usually have like 2 scoops of it in half a glass of water daily. I've recently started using it, but अभी तक मुझे जितने भी results मिले हैं I'm really happy with that, and my hair has started feeling softer. So you can also make like a mask of it according to your consistency. आपको जो भी thickness चाहिए इसको water में डाल के you can apply it on your hair for some time. I'm yet to try that, but I'm really happy with the consumption results of it as of yet. So guys, the another DIY hair mask that I'm going to share with you guys today, or you can say the ghar ka nuska, it is the green tea hair mask or the hair pack. Many people know that green tea is basically good for weight loss, metabolism, for your skin, but it is really amazing for your hair as well because you know it makes your hair really stronger and shinier. तो जो आपकी फ्लैकीनेस होती है, जो ड्राइनेस होती है स्कैल्प की, जो फ्रिज होता है हेयर में, वो ग्रीन टी कंट्रोल करता है. एंड आई यूजुअली अप्लाई इट वंस और ट्वाइस एवरी वीक डिपेंडिंग ऑन माई स्केड्यूल. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इसमें ना ज़्यादा तामझाम भी नहीं है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. यू नो जैसे भी आप ग्रीन टी यूजुअली बनाते हो, पीट लूज ग्रीन टी और द पाउचेज वाली में जो ग्रीन टी आती है वो, you can just make your green tea, put 2 to 3 bags of green tea in boiling water and let it cool down. After it cools down, you can pour it, or maybe आप spray की bottle में डाल के you can spray it on your scalp. Again, I'm saying on your scalp, not on your hair, guys. It's important for it to go in the scalp. So just massage it once you put it on your scalp and leave it for an hour. And then you can rinse with cool to room temperature water, and that's for it. It's very simple, very convenient, and I totally love it. So guys, this was for it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, so please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you guys want to watch next. And of course, fan of the week. So today's or this week's fan of the week is समिया कुमार. आपने बोला था कि आई हैव सब्सक्राइब्ड अश्नूर, प्लीज़ एक बार फैन ऑफ द वीक बना दो, तो बन गए आप फैन ऑफ द वीक. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड यस गाइज, बहुत सारे आते हैं तो सबके नाम लेना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, बट आई ट्राई टू डू, एंड आई एक्चुअली चूज इट ऑन द बेसिस कि जो पहले कमेंट्स आते हैं, यू नो द फर्स्ट फ्यू आवर्स आफ्टर पोस्टिंग द वीडियो. So that's how I choose my fan of the week. So yes, if it's not you, so better like next time, and don't forget to comment with your name and that I have subscribed, so you might be the fan of the week next week. So yes, thank you so much, lots of love, and do let me know in the comment section, did you try the mask, how was it, what were the results, lots of love.